Would you like to make someone's day? Here's a communication idea that can lead the way. This just recently happened to my son and I. It happened in the form of an email that we received a couple of days ago. Shout out to Allie, who was also representing her sister Josie in that email. Now, we knew Allie and Josie from several years ago when COVID first hit and all of our education went online. They were a part of Foundations of Communication and worked through our entire program. We had been their instructors, but we haven't interfaced with them very much at all over the last couple of years. So here came this email. Why did it make our day? First of all, it was unsolicited. They initiated it. Surprisingly, we had not reached out to them first. So unsolicited. Then it was also, you can imagine, unexpected. No ask was involved. They were just reaching back to us and they were giving us updates. Now here's how the content really resonated with us, because whether you're going to send an email or make a phone call or set a date for the local coffee shop with someone, here's what happened, what transpired in the content. First of all, they gave us some highlights from their lives, told us the most recent milestones and achievements that they are making. Then they very carefully made reference to highlights from the past. And they talked about specific memories and conversations we'd had before. It was very warm and very winsome, each one of those references, very specific. And then finally, they inquired about highlights in our lives now. They didn't need to, but they expressed genuine interest in knowing what's going on with us today. All of us receive correspondence throughout our lives that is very challenging, that feels burdensome, that it makes a request or gives some sort of complaint. This did not. This connection was a true reconnection that was very inspiring. Makes me want to do the same. So let's remember, can you reach back with some sort of connection that is unsolicited, unexpected, and refers to your current highlights, previous highlights you remember with that person, and then inquires about their current highlights now? That's my 2 cents today. It is a way that will make someone's day. Be well.